Hello kids, how are you all? In this video, you will know how to describe a picture and write a paragraph on any topic. So come with me to see what is there in the video. We will start from picture description. Students, picture description means to describe a picture or a scene with its complete details by carefully observing it. Students, a picture description is a very nice way to practice your English vocabulary in all sorts of fields. In the picture description, a picture or an image is given to you and you have to give your opinion or to describe the content in the picture. It will help you in various ways to take out your views and ideas in front of others. It will help you to come out with your various imaginations. Things to remember while doing the picture description are you have to carefully observe the picture. Don't skip anything which is important inside the picture. You have to describe all the things, person or place you see in the picture. You use your own ideas to describe that picture. While writing down, you have to use meaningful and complete sentences. Use correct punctuation marks to give correct meaning. Now, you will find a picture on your screen. See it carefully. Then I will explain you how to describe this picture. Yes, now you are seeing a picture on your screen. To describe this picture, following points you have to keep in your mind. You have to give the summary of what you are seeing in the picture. You have to talk about the various things you are seeing in the picture. You have to tell about the detail of those things when you describe a picture. You have to describe the picture by your own ideas, which you can take out from that picture. Yes. Now the same picture is there on the screen, which you have to describe in 40 to 50 words. Hmm, I will help you out in describing the picture. Let's see that your word and my words are matching or not. Student, in the picture, a family is enjoying a picnic in the garden. Mother, who is sitting on a mat, is reading a nice story for her daughter and she is also enjoying it. Father is playing with his son. There are two beautiful flowers in the garden. It is a sunny day and a bird is flying in the sky. The boy is wearing blue and grey color pant and shirt. Two cups and a packet of sweet is on the mat. There are two benches in the garden. They all seem so happy and enjoying their picnic together. I am sure your words and my words are perfectly matching. Very good. Our next topic is paragraph writing. Paragraph writing is an art. A paragraph is a group of words put together to form a group that is usually longer than a sentence. Paragraphs are often made up of several sentences, depending on the topic. There are usually between 3 and 8 sentences. Through it, the person can visualize what he or she thinks. It develops the creativity of writer. Students, now I will tell you about main parts of a paragraph. To write a good paragraph, you should include three main elements. They are topic sentence, supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. The topic sentence is the first sentence in the paragraph. It opens the paragraph. The topic sentence states the main idea of a paragraph. The supporting sentences are used to give you more information about the topic. The supporting sentences can give you facts, statistics, details, and various other examples. The concluding sentence summarizes the main points of a paragraph. Some important points which you have to keep in your mind while writing the paragraphs are: make a chain of ideas while writing a paragraph. Second, the paragraph should be theme based. A link should be maintained or a sequence should be followed in a right manner. Use simple and understandable words. Write meaningful sentences and avoid repetition of words or incidents. Here, a paragraph for you, the topic of which is a holiday I enjoyed. I will read this paragraph for you. Last Friday, my friend and I went to riverbank. We both took a few kites and fishing rods to catch fish. We both flew the kites. The kites went up to the sky. We felt really very thrilled doing so because it was a windy afternoon. We were not so lucky to catch fish. However, we enjoyed the moment very much. After some time, we felt very tired and hungry. We unpacked our baskets and had some chips, sweets, and soft drinks. Then we saw the sun setting. The golden blaze spread everywhere as if everything was bathed in gold. We then set out for our homes. Really, the time was spent was very memorable. I am sure you can describe now any picture and write any paragraph very nicely. Bye. See you again. Thank you.